in there. If you look, it's thick. There's just surface tension. There's nothing there to let that resin kind of flow and connect. So if I just pat my finger, see how it levels out. But it's still a little fluid. We want it to be moving. We want it to be moving down that tape like super slow. That way, when we pull the tape, you can see it already starting right here, right? Kind of dispersing that surface. And again, I'm only hitting it randomly, so I'm not hitting the whole surface. Small to medium, a couple large droplets, and I'm just gonna go through randomly. We'll let that activate. We'll let it sit for 10 minutes, maybe hit it again. Test. Yeah, see, it's not moving as fast there. It's just not as thick. Solid vein. Right, we don't want to take away from this beautiful one that I poured earlier. I know what he was doing. He was trying to outdo me right here. There's really, man, I'll make that look better. It's good. It's fine. So, we got this spot right here, where I didn't fill in. It's not because there's not enough resin. Okay. So we're going around making sure any open spots, and this is if you're out of product, right? We have product, we could have poured some there, but if you're out of product, you poured it. I'm doing this, guys. Just real quick, light coat. Got a bunch of little cells right here. Just real quick, I don't want to hit the whole thing. Everything out and you have some spots, just take your finger, pat it around. I mean, look how thick this is. Super thick. There's plenty of resin when you do this kit. 8 ounces. Minimum is what you need per square foot. So the next thing is I'll grab a paint stick and we'll address a few spots. Right, we got a vein here, and we got another solid vein. So I'm just gonna take a tongue depressor and I'm just gonna start blending this in until we kind of dissipate that a little bit, just so it doesn't look like a thick face. You're gonna want to pull it a little sooner because you have more face to cover. These aren't thick faces, so we can wait a little longer. No way wrong to pour. It's just if you have a specific color that you want more of, you don't want to cover it up, you know. So we're looking for barely pull the trigger. Resin. It's not going to drag our design, right? We want to keep this design and look, and then you just need to keep in mind if you're doing like a 6-inch. Flatten out so we don't have a big